In this video, guys, we will speak about tuple. What does it mean? It's another data type. We know some data types, correct? Like string, integer, float, boolean, and so on. And now it's tuple. It's something completely new. So what does it mean? So it's immutable sequence of elements. So it means it's very similar to list, but it's immutable. So it means once you create it, it cannot be changed. And the number and order of elements are fixed, so you can put there another item. Okay, so I will show you example. So now I will create something called my tuple, for example. It's my term. It's up to you. You can name it as you want. And here I will create a tuple. Tuple has this type of brackets. Okay, don't forget that list has this type of brackets, dictionary has this type of brackets, and tuple has this type of brackets. And there can be whatever you want. So any data type, for example, 5. Here will be hello. Here will be 3.14. Okay, so this is tuple. You can see that it's very similar to list, correct? So if I write the list here, we already know what is it. So you can create very similar list. But the question is, what's the difference? So if I print here my tuple, and I would like to, maybe I will start with the list. Maybe it will be better. I will print here my list, and I would like to print number 5. So what does it mean? So number 5 has a number 0 or index 0. So it means everything is numbered from 0. Okay, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So if I will print my list 0, it means number 5. I will run it, and you can see here number 5, correct? Perfect. So now, if I would like to print a hello, it's number 2, because this is 0, this is number 1. So it means hello. Hello is number 1. And if I would like to print out 3.14, so it's number 2. And I will print it. Perfect. But now, what's in tuple? So if I will print my tuple, so I will try the same. So I will print the 0. So it means the item which has a 0 index. So it should be number 5. And we can see, yes, it is. It's number 5. If I will print something like this, this will be hello, because it's number 1. And this number 2 will be 3.14. So again, it's 0, 1, 2. I will run it. You can see 5 hello 3.14, 5 hello 3.14. So it means now in this case it seems the same, correct? Tuple is the same like the list, but still there are some difference, because if you would like to take, for example, my list, and I would take number 0 or item with index 0, so it means 5. You can change it. You can write there, for example, 999. Okay, if I will print my list here, so after the change, you can see that there is 999. So you can change it, but here you can't. Okay, so once created, its content cannot be changed. Okay, so it means if I will put here something like my tuple 0, so it means this number 5, it will, I don't know, 666. So and I will run it. So you can see we have a error here. It's a type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. So you can do that. Okay, it's impossible to change it. No. So you can't change these items. But now, if I will write something like my tuple, and I would like to create another one, so it means something here. Okay, for example, David. Okay, something like that. So it means I would put here number 3, because this is 0, 1, 2, and the another item will be number 3, correct? So I will store there David. Okay, so I will run it, and you can see this is not allowed. Type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. Again. So this, or you can't do that. So you can't change any item in this tuple, and you can't add any item to this tuple. Okay, so how we said this, its content cannot be changed, and number and order of elements are fixed. Okay, so this means this is fixed, this isn't. You can change it, you can add there another item, and so on and so on. Okay, so now I would like to just for reminder, I would wrote here some data types which we have already know. So string, it's a text. Integer, it's a whole number. Float, it's a decimal number. Boolean, it's a true, false. List, it's something like this. Okay, this is list. Dictionary, it's a key value pair. And now we have a tuple. Okay, so we have a lot of data types here, and now we know something about a new data type, and it's called tuple.